Hello YouTube, Jose Carlos back with another video for JPET TV. And we had taken a small break from the channel, took the family out on vacation. As you can see, I'm a little bit more burnt than usual. But now we're back and let's get started. And for today, I'm going to show you how to do a insulation tee for like bigger pipes. I know on videos in the past I've shown how to do a tee for the smaller pipe. But this time the tee for the bigger pipe is a little bit of a different process. And that's what we're learning today. And for today's video, we're going to be using our dividers, our measuring tape, small tiger knife, the bigger 8-inch tiger knife, and our paper scissors. So the first thing I do when I'm about to start the tee is that I like to divide the tee into 4. So I use the opening for the insulation as dividing it in half. Then from right across, you're gonna mark it again on the other side. Next thing we're doing is we're getting the diameter of the pipe. So in this case, our diameter is 9 3/4. So our next step, once we have the diameter of the pipe, we adjust our dividers to half of the pipe's diameter, which in this case it was 9 3/4. So half of 9 3/4 is 4 7/8. So once you have your divider set, what you're gonna do is from one of the markings that we did when we divided in 4, you're gonna grab your dividers and you're gonna mark half a circle all the way across. And then from where you marked, from the marking right across, you're going to do the same thing with your dividers. So once you have your circles already drawn in with the dividers, what you're going to do when the circle turns in, you're going to draw a straight line from the edge of the circle to the marking, and we're going to do that on each end of the circles. So on this case, we're going to use a piece of paper, and as you can see, it'll be a straight line. As you can see, once we draw our straight lines, you here already have the shape of the T already. So now all we got to do is cut it out. Now what we're going to do is, using our big tiger knife, we're going to cut around the markings, following the lines. Now next step what we're going to do is we're going to cut out all the insulation off the peaks. That way your insulation can sit on the other pipe. So once you already took out all the insulation off the peaks, if you have any rough edges or any paper that might need some touch up, you can use your paper scissors and your small knife just to kind of clean up around it. Next step you do is you're going to test and make sure your tee sits right. And as you can see, our tee is pretty good. So the most important thing from a tee is to make sure that it sits perfectly around the pipe that crosses, so you don't have any gaps. So that's the process of how to make an insulation tee from for bigger pipes. Now this was a 6 by 1.5 pipe, but this process you can use it for even bigger pipe or as big as your dividers can go. Also, it's not just for fiberglass. I use fiberglass here for the video, but this is for any material that you use, any foam glass, urethane, pretty much any material that you're using for pipe. If you learned something new today and you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to support us with a like. Also, if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment section below. I will try to respond as soon as I can. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you will know every time we post a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching.